My name is Cinthia Audet and I'm a cosmetic scientist. I'd like to explain today what it represents when a product is Ecocert COSMOS Organic certified. So here we have a product that represents 100%. When you have a product that is certified, we will require that 95% of the vegetal portion of the formula be organic. Also, on the total of the formula, we will request that 20% have organic ingredient. So the norm is quite demanding. It guarantees the consumer that it also follows certain criteria of non-polluting and a certain no ingredient list. So it guarantees the consumer to have a product that is good for you and good for the planet. So I invite you to discover Nelly De Vuyst certified products.